In the previous video, we completed the assembly of the air rocket, and we modified the bill of materials to be what we want, and we created the exploded assembly. And now we want to make an assembly drawing. So let's right-click on the assembly, and we have two choices here. We can create a drawing of the thing we clicked on, the part that we clicked on, the body tube, or the whole assembly. Let's choose that one. And I want you to look for a template called calhi-c-inch-1. You'll have to import that, but it's a size C piece of paper, which is larger than a size A. So select that one. You might have to go to created by me initially if you haven't used it yet. So click OK. And the orientation we want is isometric. And the explode position is explode 1. And there it appears. Let's go ahead, and I think we can fit it in at 1 to 1. And so we'll left click here and let it catch up to us. Press escape, right click, show hide, shaded view. And there's our rocket. Let's put the bill of materials up here. And this time, it looks like we have the most room here, so I'm going to most room up in the upper right hand corner or lower left. I'm going to choose the upper right hand corner, so I'm going to select this fixed corner and put it right there. And if you zoom in, remember this is a big piece of paper, so this is going to appear rather small. It appears to have everything we need and in the right quantities. We'll worry about centering that text at some point in the future. Now we're going to put on the callouts. So there's our nose cone stuffing, pressure cap, and let's see, let's take it below for the body tube, and finally for the fin. We're just going to do, let's Control Z that, come back up to the callouts and click on the edge, and there we go. And we'll accept that. So you see how I click on the edge and not in the middle? That's what you want to do. So you can see we've got it all attached, all the callouts attached correctly, and we're not going to put it on each of the fins because we put it on one, and we can assume that the other red ones, are the right. We can identify them correctly as the fins. So that is an assembly drawing on a size C piece of paper, and thanks for watching.